In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links inside Behance projects. If you want to direct viewers to your website, online store, portfolio, or external case study, adding hyperlinks inside your Behance text sections is one of the easiest and most professional ways to make your projects more interactive and useful. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process of creating clickable links directly inside a Behance project. To begin, open Behance and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, go to the top section of the screen and select the option labeled Share Work. From there, choose Project to open the Behance project editor. This is the workspace where you can organize images, text, layouts, and other content for your portfolio presentation. Inside the editor, add a text block to your project. Behance uses a block-based layout system, so you can insert separate sections for headings, paragraphs, images, and media. Choose the text option and type the sentence or message where you want the hyperlink to appear. It's usually best to keep the clickable text short and clear so it looks clean and easy to understand. Simple phrases like visit website, read more, or view full case study work very well inside professional projects. After typing your text, highlight the exact word or phrase that you want visitors to click. Once the text is selected, a formatting toolbar will appear above it. In that toolbar, look for the link icon and click on it. Behance will open a small field where you can enter the destination link. Now paste the complete website address into the link field. Make sure the URL includes the full HTTPS format, so the link functions correctly after publishing. It's also important to double-check the spelling of the web address before confirming, because even a small mistake can cause the link to stop working properly. Once the correct URL has been added, confirm the action to apply the hyperlink to your selected text. If you ever need to edit or replace the link later, simply highlight the same text again and reopen the link settings from the toolbar. After finishing your project layout, click Continue and move toward the publishing stage. Behance may show a preview or review screen where you can check your project cover, tags, and visibility settings before going live. When everything looks correct, click Publish to make the project public. Once your project is published, open it and test the clickable link yourself. Behance may briefly notify visitors that they are leaving the platform before redirecting them to the external website. That's completely normal and helps protect users when visiting outside pages. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.